travel, safe for our family, and very fit. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing guys? We're on our way to extreme adventure at Yuansi Mountain. So come and join us here guys. I'm so excited.
Okay pa ba kayo dyan? Oh yan, minagaan mo sa ulit doon. Branch! Tada! Nasaan na? Nasaan yung... Hindi pala abot ang galing ko.
Hello guys! We're finally arrived here at Taichung Mountain. So here's our starting point. As you can see, I'm with my colleagues at CarUX and Inulax company. So, unexpectedly, may nagaganap na construction sa road dito sa papuntang Yuansi. So, ayan guys, nag-start na kami.
Guys, so eto po, medyo talaga. Hi guys, mag-start na kami dito kasi under construction. Mag-intern na kami ng 1 hour. So, decided na punta na kami. Hello guys! Hi Joanne! Hi Pippi! Hi Jollibee! Hello guys! Guys, we finally arrived here at Yuansi Chuan Mountain, but unfortunately merong construction na nagaganap, so naglakad kami mga 30 minutes para makarating kami dito sa entrance, maybe entrance, I don't know. So nag-ispalto sila. Look at this guys. Woo! Oh my god. It's a beautiful day. It's very promising. So we really hope that na makabalik kami ng maayos yun. Safe. Yeah. Back to you all guys later. Hello guys, we're here at Yuansi Chuan Mountain. As you can see, it's very foggy and I love it guys. I love the experience with my colleagues and friends. Hi. Oh my god, it's very nice keep weather.
Safe everyone. We are safe here.
Yeah. It's a truly promising days guys. I think mag-enjoy kami talaga dito. Oh god. Oh, as you can see, yan yung mga habit ng Pinay guys. Mag-pictorial. Oh my god. It's a nice weather. So make sure guys na mag-bring kayo ng jacket, comfortable sneakers. Kasi, ano dito, mababato, rocky daw kung tawagin, rocky road. Rocky mountain. So, kailangan yung body mo rin naka-condition bago ka punta dito. And make sure huwag mo kalimutan magdala ng bottled water. Bottled water, yan. So, yan, para keep you hydrated. You know? And also, you have to wear jacket, sunglasses on, makeup on, kilay on. So, yan guys. Talk to you all guys later.
Tayo na ba ito lahat? Ay, may naiwan pa.
Yeah, may naiwan pa. They're enjoying the beautiful pagi there. Maybe si John na yun. Sila naman yung nagpaiwan. Yeah. It's a long walk. Bago pa namin marating yung entrance actually. So yeah, yung mga fern na leaves ang ganda. You know, God. I really admire Taiwan sa ano nila ng kanilang nature, pagpe-preserve. So, yung cleanliness na may maintain nila, very natural. As you can see guys, oh. Walang nagkakalat. Ayan guys. Yan nga pala si Jen from San Juan, Batangas. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Hello guys. Oh, okay. Hello guys. I'm gonna start here. Start up hiking trail from here. Jen. Hello guys. We're start here now. Oh my God, mag-start na kami. Oh my God guys. Doon ako sa hali. Lord, guide us po. Asin. Yun lang. Diba? Thank you po Lord. Kaya touchdown na kami dito sa Yuan Season Mountain. So, kung balak niyo magpunta dito guys, make sure na meron kayo magandang speakers, yung comfy. Kasi dito pa lang sa unahan yun guys. What time na? 10:37 guys, dito pa lang kami sa baba. Kasi sa baba may under construction, so nag-wait pa kami na magpa-open. So start pa lang guys, makikita mo. Yan siya guys. Meron siya mga stairs na ganyan. Expect na umpisa pa lang, challenging na guys. At ayun na. Ito na yung mga mababato. Galing. Ano po si Jenny B? We're having fun guys. Yeah, this. Dito pa lang tayo sa baba. Baba pa lang tayo. We're getting tired. Oh shit. Sorry, I'm sorry. Hi guys.
Ano, kaya pa?
We're at Yuan Season already. Get. Kaya niyo pa yan? Carry. Girl. Yeah. Parang ano lang yan? Pangarap lang yan. There's no elevator to success. You have to text the stairs. Hoy! Gusto nyo? Yan. Kaya, make sure yung mga stamina nyo. Ganyan, ready? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Dito, mapapapa na yung hagdan dito.
Ito na ako.
Alam mo yan, pagdating dun sa taas, worth it yan lahat.
Yes. There's no elevator to success. You have to take these stairs. God. Parang na-wish ko na may tungkod din ako.
Yung nasa na isang hashtag backpackers dyan.
Nauna na.
No.
Yeah. Are you having fun, guys? Oh, ito. Simpleng matatag to. Oh. Sige nga.
Pinakatrack tayo.
Guys.
Tama nga pala dito ang squatting.
25K.
Dapat na dito ang sports bra. Init. Kasi mainit na. Pero nakaantang.
Tapos MC to. Yan sinasabing MC tong bukas.
Parang dalawa.
Hey guys, we're finally here at the top! Oh my gosh, we made it!
No.
Sure pa rin, kayang pa.
Ba't kasi ako nandito?
Sana naglaba ka na lang.
Sleeping ako nito eh.
You have to push yourself, guys. Walang tutulong sa yung iba, kundi ikaw lang. Ganun lang. That's the reality of life. Guys, we finally arrived here at the 2K